What's up, guys? It's Gigi Galaxy here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So today we're going to be reviewing all my fidgets because I just got new fidgets. And if you don't know, I'm a fidget channel. And my name's Gigi Galaxy. So have fun watching my videos. And let's get started. So we have these. Just so you know, it's not a giveaway. This is just fake. Where in the next video, we're going to be fake fidget trading. So I'm going to be in a different outfit because it's not going to be that day. So we're going to be scamming. So, let's get rolling. So this is one of my new fidgets. This is my DNA ball. It is so good. I recommend you get this. And just be aware, it might pop. My friend said, but it's probably not because it's 2 layers. So I think it already popped, but there's 2 layers, so it's good. So now with this, as you can see, if you try too hard and you play with it too hard, that happens. And it's, otherwise it's so much fun and everything, but if you play with it too hard and you like do stuff with it, it'll break. So it didn't break technically, it just like got messed up. So that happened. Now we're gonna go with, guys, what are next? These are globbles. These are neon. I totally recommend you get these. These are the best. They feel so good. Now, pineapple poppet. As you can see, it's the best. And look, if you don't know how to read that, it says top trends. I'm so happy about that. Okay, we also got this poppet. Guess what kind of poppet it is? Sparkly. I'm so excited about that. I'm so excited, bro. Now, let's move on to bro. This, I totally recommend. It's the best. Oh my god. This is a simple number. Next thing. The ones I'm putting aside are the ones that are not new. Okay. Wacky Track. Totally recommend. This is how I made, if your parents don't let you get a lot, get a Wacky Track from Learning Express, all these different things. Because you can make a snapper of it. And I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. So, if you already know how to make it, just scroll over to the next part of the video. But first, you're going to connect it and make it like this. Then, you're going to see this. Go like this. And go boop. So, it's like this. Now, keep doing it so it's like, I'll show you guys and how to do it while you're watching. Done. So it's like this. It should look like this. Plus sign. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do this, and you're going to take this and go like this. It should do 2 clicks like this. So it looks like this. And now what you're going to do is, and you got your snapper. So have fun playing with that. And in the next video, I'm going to show you all of my fidgets. So my mom just got a new phone and new AirPods. The AirPod Pros and the iPhone 12. So my mom is going to give me her AirPods. So I'm going to be giving those away for a giveaway. So in the comments, I'm going to give a shout out to the person who won it. So, have fun with that. Bye, guys. Have fun.